What up, everyone? In this video, I think I'm gonna finally be adding in the fly battle. He can be, or a few of them. One might be able to flying around up here, um, and then the other one can come over here in our shop class. The fly will not be saved in my with like the rest of my skeletons because right now my save function's kind of um, I guess wonky in the way I'm saving it, and adding in a lot would just be a lot of typing in a big file and a whole bunch of different files for no reason. So until I can figure out how I can just save it all into one big dictionary and be able to pull all the different dictionaries from the dictionary, I'm just going to be selective on what kind of things I save, like the keys, the bits, my experience points, important monsters being dead. So let's just jump into the code and get adding in the fly. So in our previous videos, one of my previous videos, I have it set up so now my monster class is has its own collision load image and everything like that. So we went ahead and put the image in so it should load the fly just like it loads um, the other skeleton and the rat. So down here, let's just close all these instead of having to scroll all through these. It's super long, and there's a bunch of extra space right there for some reason. Let's get rid of this space too. It makes the code just look nasty in my opinion. Okay, so here's our fly class. So we have our parent classes initialized, our self.image, which I might not need at all. Uh, I don't even think I need that. Do I need my rectangle even? I don't even think I need that. So I think I can go ahead and just delete this. Um, and let's just go ahead and see if he will go on to the screen okay. So we're just going to say fly1 is equal to our fly class. Oops, I didn't want that to open up. And then his name is fly1. Well, no, I don't know. Because I think I have it linked to the name for the load image. Self.name is fly. And then for my battle, uh, what did I have that linked to so I knew? I think it was under collision. Let's just check that real fast. So here's our collision. And then the battle.t is also the name. So we're probably gonna have to mess with that rat eventually and put it rat one. So we are gonna have to say fly one for the name. The class, he's just a monster. Maybe that'll start coming into play soon. Start using their classes and everything. I have lots of variables I can start using for things. Maybe I'll start looking into that. But the race, he's a what? Oh, so name, class, race. He's um fly. I don't know. I just took this from. You know what? He's gonna be level 3. He'll have 150 health. The strength. Let's just say he's gonna have 10 across the board because he's kind of got a magic circle around him. So 10. Mana. It's gonna be like just a physical attacker only. Experience points. I'm gonna give him 100 because we want to get overpowered at the moment. Okay, so now the X and the Y, it will be, so the X first, I kind of want it out a little bit because he's going to be in that corner. We'll say 1.5. The Y is going to be kind of more towards the bottom, so we'll say 8.5. And then I think I made it 64 by 64, and then he'll give us 75 bits. That's probably gonna change soon. Once I get figured out how to like leave the game and like go in without closing the window, um, we'll go ahead and add it so like the potions cost a little bit more, or we get less from the battles. Um, so, anyways, let's go ahead and go to our levels. We want to draw him in room 3. Is that where our shop guy is? Yes. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put him under the shop guy. We need to call it from the player monster file, and then we need to go fly one dot draw, and then we're gonna need screen. So self, or no, we can just put screen. Player. Yeah, I just. Okay. PM.Josh. Uh, game functions dot battle. Right. Yep. And then game. All right, that should be good enough to get it on the screen and maybe working. Let's just go see if he's on the screen. We didn't get an error yet, so that's always good. But you never know. So let's just get there because it's not really calling it yet. And there's our error. That's because what did I call him? Okay, so I put a lowercase f. I think I made it. Wait. Because the name has got to be. Okay, that should be what was the problem. Okay. Now this guy again. Man, we got a lot of snow today. That was a lot of scooping. I mean, felt like a foot of snow. The mounds were taller than my car when we were done scooping. It was pretty crazy. Um, uh-oh, what happened now? There it goes. I wonder why it wasn't registering. There we go. There's our fly. He's definitely there. We don't have anything set up for his battle yet. But that's like a little whoops, broke it. That's like his little energy shield, we'll say that's around it. So let's just close that. So the fly's on the screen. Now we need to go ahead and make it a battle. So definition fly 1 battle, and this is just gonna take self. And yeah, it's been a little bit, so I know we're gonna go ahead and use that. Oh, we're missing a space. Or is this one not? Yeah, there we go. So yeah, we need to battle the monster. So let's just see if I can do this from memory. So we need the battle functions. So we're gonna put the battle functions, and then we're gonna need Josh's turn, and then we're gonna need Jesse's turn. So we're just gonna go ahead and set up. Whoops. We're gonna go ahead and set these up. Just so I know where I'm doing. Monsters turn, and then if one. We're just gonna say what happens when we win the battle. This is gonna be where we put the experience points and everything. So the very first thing we need to put is these battle monster. Oh boy, I hate when it does this. GF dot battle monster. Oh, oops. Underscore monster. So let's go ahead and call this function again. Self.screen. I was just seeing if this is the one that we actually put everything in. Yep. Josh pm.jesse. And then the monster is fly1, and then game. Okay, and now we need the functionalities. gf.battle. What was it? Item menu. That is probably gonna stay in the battle. I did make another class for my menus. So I was trying to get it to work a little bit better, but it's still a work in progress. So, but anyways, we're just gonna keep it there for now. So there's that. Same with our magic menu. Battle magic. Okay, so this is just building out the logic behind the battle. So we got that. We got pm.jesse, and then it looks like we need keys, and then game. Game. Okay, and now I need my turn, which is just going to be if my health points are enough. So we always got to check that first. Josh dot hit underscore points is greater than or equal to 1, at least 1. Then we can do my turn. Josh turn, and then we need pm dot Jesse in here, and then we need the monster. So pm dot fly1, and then we need the cursor. What cursor are we using? GF cursor. Oh, okay. I told myself which ones. GF cursor for the menu. Keys, and then game. All right. Yep, that went away. Okay, and then, whoops, not that one. Okay, so then, no, oh my goodness, my buttons are all over the place here. Okay, and then we're gonna say on this one, if pm dot Jesse dot hit underscore points is greater than or equal to 1, and I think I need that delay because of all the button presses, and action is greater than 1250. Then we're going to do pm.jesse dot Jesse's churn. Oh, that's why. What is going on here? Jesse's churn. Okay, so we need pm.josh, pm.fly1, our cursors to control the menu cursor, so we can kind of use our healing potion, keys, and game. Okay, and now we just need the monsters churn, and we're gonna say if pm dot fly 1 hit underscore points is greater than or equal to 1, and our action is greater than 2000. This is also still a work in progress, so we're gonna go pm fly 1 dot turn. Okay, and then I need pm dot josh, and then pm dot jesse, and that's it. And then we need to say self dot start underscore time is equal to current underscore time. Okay, that should reset it for the battle. So, and then if 1. So now we need to go if elif maybe pm dot fly 1 dot hit underscore points is greater than or equal to 0. Then we need to turn self dot playing back to true and self dot battling to false equals false, or is it battle? Self dot battle to false, right? Okay, and then we're just gonna copy and paste all of this from here, but that should be enough to get the battle up and going for us to be able to try it. Let's just make these fly really fast. Okay. So now let's go try that battle again. It shouldn't freeze up on us this time. And then I kind of want to add in a save function. I was just going to use the image from my turtle game. So just kind of reusing what I already had. So let's see if we can run into it. Still broke it. What is happening? I think we forgot to add it one more place. I hope we have enough time to get to that. This might be a little bit longer of a video. I think, yeah, we still have to come down here, I'm pretty sure. And then go like this. If pm dot fly 1 dot d equals 1 self dot fly 1 battle. Okay, one last time. Hopefully we're not gonna break it, and we are gonna go ahead and take Mr. Skeleton back out, because I'm just trying to get to the fly battle. I'm not trying to go through that skeleton battle every time. So one more time. This should work. We forgot to put our cursors in or something, though. It keeps freezing for some reason. Everything else seemed to be working, but what else did we forget? Let's check. I wonder what we did differently with our fly battle. Self. What is different about the fly battle? It's like we forgot something. Why is our fly battle not working? I don't know. Well, we kind of got it up and going. So we're probably not going to do the save point this video. That'll probably be another video. Um, as I try to figure out what I typed in differently with my fly than I did everything else, and why my fly is deciding not to work correctly. And then on the next video, I'll let you know what I figured out, and hopefully we'll go forward with that save point and just continue the game. This has been a fun project so far. I've been having a lot of fun, learning a lot. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.